Hey guys, DJI here, and today I'm going to talk about Wickio's new power bank, Crb009. Now this isn't your ordinary power bank. Not only does it have two USB-A and one USB-C port, it also has an AC port on the top. This AC port is capable of producing a burst output of 100 watt and a continuous output of 90 watt. This can be useful for devices that can't be charged or used with USB. The USB-C port supports Power Delivery 3.0 with up to 45 watts, and the USB-A ports are quick charge at 18 watts and regular charging at 12 watts, respectively. This is a 26,800 mAh battery, which is just below the legal limit of lithium batteries in airplanes. This means you can take the power bank anywhere you go. I never understood why Wickio made these cases for all of their power banks, but this one I feel like actually needs one. It doesn't fit snugly, which is actually a good thing, because on their Crb008, it was difficult to remove from the case. On their website, it says it can charge an iPhone 11 Pro Max 5.5 times, a 13-inch MacBook Pro 1.2 times, and a Galaxy Note 10 5.5 times. However, as always, I'll be testing the performance of this power bank myself as well. These are all the devices that I'll be charging with this power bank. A DJI Phantom 4 Advanced, a DJI Spark, a 15-inch MacBook Pro, a 3rd Gen 12.9-inch iPad Pro, and an iPhone 11 Pro Max. For all of these devices, I'll be testing both AC and DC for comparisons of efficiency, except when not possible. For our first test, the Phantom's battery will be discharged to 20%. While charging the Phantom battery, the power bank stopped when the Phantom battery was at 60%. I was disappointed that it couldn't charge my drone battery once. For our next test, the Spark's battery will be discharged to 20%. With USB, I was able to charge the Spark's battery 4 times, and on the last charge, the Spark's battery was at 86%. With AC, I'll be charging 3 batteries at once using the charging hub. I was able to charge all 3 of the batteries once, and the next batch of batteries were all at 27%. This is a use case where I can recommend using the AC port, as it's more beneficial to charge the batteries faster, even though there is some efficiency lost. For our next test, the 15-inch MacBook Pro will be discharged to 10% every cycle. Using the USB-C port, I was able to get a full charge on the first attempt, and then it charged up to 14% on the second attempt. Using the AC port, I was able to get 84% until the power bank turned off. The AC port ended up being slightly less efficient compared to the USB-C port. For our next test, the 3rd Gen iPad Pro will be discharged to 10% every cycle. Using the USB-C port, the iPad Pro was able to get a full charge twice, with 17% on the iPad battery. Using the AC port, I was able to get 1 full charge, and on the second charge, the iPad Pro was at 33%. Using the USB-C port was significantly more efficient. For our last test, the iPhone 11 Pro Max will be discharged to 10% every cycle. With the USB-C port, the iPhone was able to get exactly 5 charges. With the AC port, it was able to be charged 4 times, and on the 5th charge, it was at 46%. In conclusion, I think this is a good power bank for people who uses high-powered devices without access to outlets often. This power bank is suitable for laptops, tablets, and appliances like monitors more than phones. While I was disappointed that it couldn't fully charge my Phantom's battery, keep in mind that the raw battery is around 87 watt-hours as well. Smaller drones like the Mavic Pro and Spark should be able to be fully charged a few times. At 131,000 won, it's on the expensive side of power banks, so this shouldn't be an impulse purchase. If you're interested in buying this product, the link to where you can buy it is in the description below. I'll be making more content like this, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.